Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean up kinetic sand. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have some kinetic sand. This is actually one of the gifts that my oldest daughter recently got for her birthday, and we were playing with it the other day, and obviously it makes a little bit of a mess, not as much of a mess as real, regular, like beach sand or play sand. However, it does still make a little bit of a mess, and there's a little trick towards cleaning it up that I want to share with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this video really, really short and sweet. So I'm going to take some of the kinetic sand, I'm just going to put it, over here. Let's say you're playing with it, you make a little bit of a mess, you get some over here. Now, most people are just going to immediately go to vacuum it up or to wipe it up, and that obviously works, but I think there's a step before that that can save the kinetic sand. Instead of it just going to the vacuum and going to waste, you can use the kinetic properties of the kinetic sand to clean it up quickly and easily. What you want to do is take a good amount of kinetic sand that you have, that's not part of the mess, and you want to squish it up into like sort of a nice compact ball as much as possible. Okay, then you're going to take this, and the thing with kinetic sand is that it basically wants to stick together. So you're going to use this to attract the other kinetic sand that is part of the mess over here. So I'm going to use this to just pick this up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Squish it, make it, compact again. Check that out, just like that. It wants to stick together, so you can use its own kinetic properties to clean it up, okay? Just like that. And you can literally just dab over all of the sand that has fallen over, okay, and put it back in there and get a small piece again and continue doing that over and over. And you will pick up all of the kinetic sand for the most part. Now, there will still be a few tiny little pieces of kinetic sand that you might not get. Totally fine. At that point, you can wipe it up or you can vacuum it up. But at least you're getting the majority of the kinetic sand. You're not letting it go to waste, right? But in the vacuum or wiping it up and tossing it in the garbage, you're collecting it so you can continue using it. And that's it. It's just a little quick trick that I realized as I was cleaning it up that just made it easier to clean up. So I wanted to share with you in this video. Like I said, short and sweet video. I tried to keep it really, really quick and simple. That's how to clean up kinetic sand more easily than ever before. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.